I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's learn now.
Standard form. Okay, this is a heading for you. Expanded form. Okay, listen. Now I am going to write the standard form here. 425. This is standard form. What it is? Standard form. Just number only. No, this is standard form. 425. 425. This is standard form. Okay. Now I am going to write the expanded form. Okay. Listen here. What number it is? 4. Next number 2. Next to this 5. 4, 2, 5. Okay. Now I am going to write the place value. What? Place value. The first number 5, no, above that write ones. O for ones. Then above this 2 write T. T for tens. Then above this 4 write H. H for hundreds. Okay. O for ones. T for tens. 4 for hundreds. 4 in hundreds place. Okay. Okay. 400. Then I am going to write the expanded form. Listen carefully, kids. 5 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds. So now we are going to write this 4. Okay, 4 hundreds. No, so write here 4 hundreds. Four hundreds plus what number it is? 2, no? 2 in tens place, no? 2 tens. 2 tens plus then what is the next number? 5. 5 in ones place, no? So 5 ones. Okay, 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, now you listen. 4 hundreds. How to write this? 4 hundreds. Yes, 400 in number. Okay, then put this sign down. Then 2 tens. 2 tens means what? 2 tens. 1 ten, 2 tens. Totally 10 plus 10. So 20. Okay. 2 tens means 2 tens. 2 times. Okay. So 20. Then put this plus. Then 5 ones, no? Write that 5. That's all. Very easy, no? This is expanded form. 400, 2 tens here, no? Then 5 ones. 400 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. 400. I write that in number. 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Then 5 ones. 5. So 400 plus 20 plus 5. 425. If you add all these numbers, you will get this one standard form. Okay, 400 plus 20, 420. Then 420 plus 5, 425. So if you add all these numbers, you will get this standard form. Okay, this is standard form. This side expanded form. 776. This is the second sum. Okay, how to write this in expanded form? What is the first step you have to do? Yes, hundreds, tens, ones. Above these numbers, write the value, place value. Okay, 6 ones, 7 tens, 7 hundreds. Okay, now you write this in expanded form. 7 hundreds, no? So write 700 plus 7 tens. 7 tens means what? 7 tens means 70. Okay, 70. Then plus 6 ones. So write here 6. This is the expanded form. Okay, 700 plus 70 plus 6. Then listen here, 150. How to write this in expanded form? Immediately you should write hundreds, tens, ones. This place value you have to write quickly. Then you can write easily, no? 100. So write here 100 plus 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. So write 50. Then plus 0 ones. So write here 0. That's all. Very easy, no? Then one more sum. See here. 300. How to write this? Immediately you write hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, this is the first step, no? Then what is the next step? You have to write that in expanded. See, 300. So write here 300 plus 0 tens. So write here 0 plus 0 ones. So write here 0. That's all. Very easy, no? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. 693. Immediately write 100, tens, ones. This is a place value, no? Now we can write easily in expanded form. 600. Write 600 plus 9 tens. 9 tens means 90 plus 3 ones. So write here 3. 444. Write 100, tens, ones. 400 plus 4 tens. 40 plus 4 ones. Just 4. Okay. Then one more sum. 208. What is the first step? 100, tens, ones. Okay. 200. So write here 200 plus 0 tens. So write here 0 in tens place. Then 8 ones. Write 8. 8. That's all. Very easy, no? Yes. This is the way you have to write in expanded form.
I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening.